Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a very important, very popular qualification now called ACCA. जब इंडिया में ACCA आया था तो फर्स्ट टाइम लोगों ने बोला था पता नहीं क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है, कौन जानता नहीं, कुछ नहीं। आज की डेट में सब लोग ACCA के बारे में जानते हैं, बट उसके बारे में डिटेल्स किसी को नहीं मालूम। सब बोलते हैं करना कैसे है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, कैसे करना है। सो दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस एंड आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर यू इन एज सिंपल अ मैनर एज पॉसिबल. Right behind me is the slide that is presented by ACCA on their website. These are the qualification routes. This is called the qualification route chart, and that's exactly what ACCA's website offers. Let's try to understand this entire table and let's try to see what does it take to become an ACCA. Now, what is the minimum qualification requirement to start ACCA? If you read here, it says university entrance level or non-relevant degree. So if you do not have commerce qualification or you're just starting off with your university level, which is 12th grade for India, you can start your ACCA. Is there any other route to start before that? Answer is yes. You can start as early as 13 years. So if you are 13 years of age, you can still register for ACCA. And that route is called FIA route. We will discuss FIA route in another video. You can search about it and Google about it. But there is an FIA route for people who are not 12th grade pass. For all the others, this is the standard route. You have finished your 12th standard. Now you want to start your ACCA application. You fill the form, you go ahead. Once you have finished your 12th standard, you are supposed to sit for these three examinations: business and technology, management accounting and financial accounting, 3 papers. These are all MCQ based papers, 2 hours each, conducted on variety of exam centers. So these exam centers are located in 180 countries across the globe in multiple cities. You can book a time slot, you can book a date, time and give the examination. There is no specific date for these examinations. So they are open 365 days, so to say. So you can book the exam center, you can go to that particular date, XYZ, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you sit for the test and you're done. So this can be done. Even if you want, you're prepared, you can finish it in one day. You take 3 different time slots of 2 hours each, you're done. This is technically the lowest time taken is 1 day. You can finish it off. But logically speaking, systematically speaking, how much time would it take for a normal, good, smart person to prepare for these subjects? My answer is it usually takes about 2 to 3 months per paper. So if you really want to prepare for this, multiply this 2, 3, 3, 3, 9 months is what you can finish off. So this is my standard recommendation for this particular level. Applied knowledge level can be finished in 6 to 9 months by a logical, sensible person if he studies say 3 to 4 hours a day. Alright, let's move on to the next slide. So once you have finished this part, which is called the applied knowledge level, you have finished this level, then you move to applied skills level. What do we mean by applied skill levels? There are 6 papers in this: law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. It actually is equal to ACCA diploma in accounting and business or relevant accounting or finance qualification. So if you are at applied skills, once you have finished the applied knowledge level, this level is called ACCA diploma in accounting and business. So these 3 subjects are equivalent to this, and or relevant accounting or finance qualification. So entry requirement to come to this level. What does this mean? Some people are not required to sit for these examinations. Who are those people? One, of course, those who have finished these. They can move to this level. Then there are others like who are graduates. We have had a detailed discussion on an exemption video. So there's a separate video about exemptions and how do you claim those exemptions. You can reach out and read those videos again to get more detailed knowledge. But if you are a graduate or if you have a professional qualification, then based on that qualification, graduation or accredited institution, you would get certain level of exemptions from these and these subjects. Let's assume that you are equivalent to this, you have finished, now you're here. आप ये 6 subjects का exam दे सकते हो. And these are the 6 subjects which will, out of this is MCQ, again conducted on an exam center which is open 365 days a year. The rest of these papers are conducted 4 times in a year: March, June, September, December. I will repeat, they are conducted again on March, June, September, December. So ये exams specific exam center पे जाकर होंगे. वो एग्जाम सेंटर केवल स्पेसिफिक डेट्स पर एग्जाम लेते हैं और वो एग्जाम्स में कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एमसीक्यू प्लस डिस्क्रिप्टिव आएगा. एंड ऑल दीज पेपर्स आर actually online. They are all computer based examinations, so all exams would be computer based and you will have to prepare for MCQ plus descriptive, and the weightage will vary from paper to paper. So some papers will have 40% MCQ, 60% theory. Some papers will have, more objective, 60% objective, 40% theory. So this would vary. Corporate law is 100% MCQ. All others would have MCQ and descriptive combination happening at March, June, September, December levels. Once you have finished all these examinations, you will move to the professional level. So this is the last level of ACCA, where there are two strategic business leader and strategic business reporting papers. These are two essential papers, and then you have to choose any two out of these. So you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, advanced financial management, performance management, taxation and audit. You can choose any of them. The entry level to this would depend on, one, there are certain exemption levels. So if you are from an accredited institution which has offered you 9 paper exemption, you can straight away come here. Do not have to do all of these. If you are a chartered accountant, if you are a professionally qualified person who has got exemption from all of this, you can again straight away move to this. You sit for these papers, you get a fully accredited degree. Entry requirements is this. So example is CA or something like that, and then you get a full ACCA qualification. The only thing left in the middle are 2 points. One is experience and ethics and professional skill module. What are these? So if you are talking about ethics module, this is an online module which you have to sit for after you have finished all of this or any time during this period. This is for ensuring that you are ethically right and correct. So there is an ethics professional module which you have to clear, and alongside this is called experience requirement. This is called practical experience requirement. These are 36 months. So there is a 36-month practical experience requirement under an IFAC member. So somebody who is a qualified accounting body member is the person under whom you have to work for 3 years to get this. So you get this plus all of these examination. Let me also explain certain parts of the examination and things which you have, if you have not done. Let's say for example, you have done all of this. If you just do this, you get ACCA diploma in accounting and business. Okay. If you have finished this, of course, and this is already done, then you get an advanced diploma in accounting and business. So that's the equivalent that you get. If you have finished all these three, this and this and this, but you have not got this, you will become something called as ACCA affiliate. And after you finish this, so once you have completed all of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you become an ACCA member. So to become a member, you require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. You complete all these 5, you are an ACCA member, and that's all what it takes. How long does it take to study and finish all of this? Classic example, this 6 to 9 months. For each of them, I recommend 3 months period, so 18 months. And for this, again about 12 months. So 18 plus 12 is 30, about 36 months to 39 months. So 36 to 39 months, which is about 3 to 3.5 years, is what it usually takes. How much would an exceptionally smart person take? An exceptionally smart person can probably finish it off in 1 year, 1.5 years, and I've seen people doing it. I have taught personally some students who have finished the entire ACCA qualification in 1.5 years. Possible. The youngest ACCA is hardly 18 years of age. So you can actually pursue it and you can do it. There is no restriction. If you're sitting, if it exams happens March, June, September, December, from this level onwards, you can sit for as many exams as you like. So you can finish it off in 6 months. There is no problem with ACCA institution. You are allowed to do that. So yes, as a qualification, it's a very exciting and interesting qualification which offers all varieties, all multiple variants. I'm making variety of videos explaining each of these modules and each of these points in more detail in the coming days. Please stay tuned, and if you like the videos that I'm trying to make, then please subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon, and I look forward to your feedbacks and comments. Please approach me and let me know if I can be of any help. Thank you.